Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So, this is a very important video for all those students who were eagerly waiting for the admission process of universities to start. So, here is a good news means finally your wait is over and your admissions are going to start. Especially, we are talking about Delhi University here. So, in this video, we will talk about the admission process of Delhi University for this session 2021, and at last we will discuss about the expected cutoffs of Hindu College this year. Like last year, what were the cutoffs? What will be the possibility this year? So we are going to discuss everything in detail and how will be your results this year, like whether they will be better than the last year or they will be worse than the last year. So that we are going to analyze in this video. So stay tuned and watch the video till last. So let's start now. So actually, as far as Delhi University admission process is concerned, so now there is a big breaking that one administrative officer, DU admissions chairman Rajiv Gupta has said that they are going to start the admission process of Delhi University in the third week of July. So now we all know July has started, first week is going on. So there are hardly 10-15 days to kickstart this admission process. So all of you must be ready for that. So what can you do and how much help you can get from our side, that also I'm going to tell at last. So watch complete video. I will give you a very basic solution. Like last year also children faced a lot of problem because of this online process. So we want that you should not face that problem. So that's why I'll give you one solution at the last of this video. So now as far as these entrance based exams are concerned, so they have said that they will start this admission process of merit based exams, these cutoff based exams, 1 week prior to UG examinations and entrance based examinations. So they are going to start it in the third week of July. And one more thing I want to say, that I am not saying this thing only because from my side only, because there are some valid proofs. Like you can see now Bharat Times has published this news. Now this screenshot is here to show you that NDTV Education has also published this news. So most probably your admission process is likely to begin in the third week of July. So that is not very far away. So now you all must gear up, you must keep your documents ready. But here one more thing is also there, like your 12th class results are expected to be announced by 31st of July. But now there are some news that it may not be possible. Means DU also knows this thing, that all states may not be able to declare their results of class 12th by 31st of July. So then there may be some delay, like in your admission process, starting of your admission process, because still that clarity is not there. Means now almost 95% it is sure that CUCET will not be conducted and your admission will be based on merit only, on the basis of marks which you have attained in class 12th. So for that definitely you will have to start for your class 12th marks, and then only your merit list will be prepared by the university. So that is one thing. Now let us see the cutoffs of Hindu College last year. So if we talk about BA honors, like the thing is that at last I'm going to tell you why am I showing you this cutoff of Hindu College of last year. There is a very big reason behind that. So keep watching the video. So if we see in economics, last year in BA honors, economics honors, eco honors, the cutoff was 99.25%. It in English it was 98.5, Hindi it was 92, history it was 98.75, philosophy 97, political science 99.5. So you can see how high was the cutoff last year. And if we talk about sociology, it was 98.75 last year. This is of last year. So now we talk about BCom honors. So BCom honors was 99.25. And if we talk about science subjects, BSc honors in botany, it was 97, chemistry was 98.33, mathematics it was 99%, physics 99.33, statistics it was 99.25, and zoology it was 97.33. So now I think most of the students must be getting shocked that what is this? Like all children are not able to get these many marks. They cannot attain this high percentage. Then how means they will not be able to get admission in Hindu college. So that is a fact. Right? So now the question comes like how will be your results this year? Will they be better than the last year or will they be worse than the last year? So if I tell you, means as far as my experience is concerned, I think this year results will be better than earlier. Why better? Because earlier your exams were conducted by the board and checking was there and everything was there, and this year your results are being prepared by your schools only. And as I said in my earlier video also, that no school will spoil their result. Means schools will never want that their results are spoiled. They will try to give best of the results, and definitely they will not give less marks to the students. They will definitely try to give you more than expected marks. So in this way your if percentage will definitely increase. Now if percentage will increase, then definitely your you can say cutoffs will also increase. So now you must be thinking, if the cutoffs will increase, will they go to 100%? Like last year it was 99%, above 99% in most of the subjects. So now will it go to 100%? So there is possibility in yes or no. One more thing is there, that no school will give 100% marks to any of the child who is not 100% eligible for that. Because in board also there are so many criterias according to which 100% marks are given to someone. And in schools also, school authorities will also get scared of giving 100 marks because they know that checking may be there. Their marks may be rechecked. So I think more or less the cutoffs will be similar to the last year, but 99% you should expect. But there is nothing like that. I am not here to scare you all that you will not be able to get admission in Delhi University. So you should not get worried these are the marks for thing. And one more after thing is there that there are so many other methods also differences there, but not much. Don't get very good marks, they can also get admission in Delhi University because there are many quotas, like EWS quota is there, sports quota is there. But this year we don't know how will these things be judged and all. So keep watching the videos, and as I told you that you can do one thing. If you want to seek help regarding your admission and everything, we have a Telegram channel of Kingdom of Learning. You can join that. There you will meet seniors. There are so many students who faced so many problems last year, and definitely they will help you there. So I'll leave the link of that Telegram channel in the description box. Do join that and subscribe to Kingdom of Learning for further help and instructions. Thank you so much. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kingdom of Learning, because in future also you will get complete support and guidance from this channel. So thank you for watching.